Help us, Lord. Help.
Oh, here's another one.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, get me in, will you? Can you get me in? You can send it to me. We get in the water, actually.
Uy, Diyos ko. Uy, Lord. Jesus, Lord. Jesus, Lord. Jesus, Lord.
You can see the water shaking, look.
Jesus, Lord. Jesus, Lord.
Well, get me in, will you? 'Cause my battery's full.
Nick.
I'm going surfing.
Jesus, Lord. Jesus, Lord.
You're surfing that now.
Tawagin yung tagum.
Oh.
Tawagin tagum.
Nagakuan pa ang fountain. Diyos ko, Lord. Diyos ko, Lord. Papa, oh. Look, look. Oh. Tawang chandelier. Oh, naga-shake-shake pag yun. Uy, Diyos ko.
Yeah, my phone's... I can't take pictures.
Where's your phone, Thomas?
It's here, but it's full. The camera, it's full. The storage is full.
Uy, Diyos ko, Diyos ko.
Oh, get that in. Earthquake surfing.
Yes, yes. It's an earthquake.
It's good.
Ay, nagkakuan man di ay. Nag-alarm man di ay. Karon pa mo kalungog sa alarm. Oh, look. Uy, Diyos ko, Lord. Diyos ko, Lord. Ang chandelier, sa sulod, grabe, Uy, wag dyan ko pakialam. Bahala mo dara. My God.